Today's video is about how to add good protein source in your diet for that weight loss. Please keep watching. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fat to Fitness. This is Sobhagya. In today's video we are going to make a healthy protein recipe for weight loss. With this recipe you can easily lose somewhere between 5 to 10 kgs in 15 days, within 15 days, followed by a good workout and a healthy diet plan throughout the day. No junk food, no processed food, nothing, no soda at all. Alright friends, let's check out the ingredients. So I have taken one full red onion, garlic, 4 to 5 cloves, half-inch ginger. So make a paste of ginger and garlic, fresh ginger garlic paste, and 2 to 3 teaspoons of yogurt or curd, salt for taste, pepper, turmeric, coriander powder. So to begin with, I took half a teaspoon of oil and in which I have added chopped ginger garlic and onion and 2 to 3 dry whole chili. So let's saute it for 2 to 3 minutes so that the rawness is gone. And meanwhile, I have washed and cut the whole chicken in small pieces, and now I am putting into broil. If you don't have oven, you can saute it or fry it in a pan, non-stick pan, so that it takes very less oil. So if you have oven, you can opt broil option. I'm putting it on high. Yeah, here goes the chicken. This is for 4 to 5 people. One whole chicken will be sufficient for 3 to 4 people. Okay, so there I have added bay leaves. Bay leaves, you can get it in any Indian store, or I will put the link in the description box. Now I'm adding some pepper, freshly grinded pepper. So I'm going to place all the links of these spices in the description box so that you can get them online. Keep stirring it so that nothing sticks to the pan or nothing is burned. Friends, the reason chicken is always included in a healthy diet is because it is basically a lean meat, which means it doesn't have much fat. So eating chicken regularly can actually help you lose weight in a healthy way. Apart from protein, chicken is also chock full of calcium and phosphorus. It is safer to include chicken in your weight loss diet as it doesn't put you at risk of high cholesterol. Okay, so here I have added some whole pepper for flavor. That is completely optional. Friends, this diet plan is low in carbs and high in protein. The moment you reduce the carb intake, it will help you in losing that stored fat. Friends, did you notice I said low carbs? I did not say completely eliminate. If anyone is asking you to eliminate any of the macro from your diet, then you should never follow it. At least that is my recommendation. Each meal should have all 3 macros. Okay, so there I have added black elaichi, the big elaichi. That is for flavor. Okay, so I was talking about macros. 3 big macros are carbs, protein and fat. All these 3 are really important. A weight loss diet plan should always be sustainable, easy to follow and easy to prepare. If it is exotic and something which you cannot make at home, then trust me, you will never be able to follow. Not just you, anyone, even me, I can't follow. I prefer to stick to the roots, what we have been eating since our childhood. So here goes the big elaichi. Earlier I have added the small elaichi. Sorry, I thought it was a black one, but here goes the black elaichi, the big one. Previously I had added small green elaichi. Okay, now let's check how our chicken is doing. It is about 4 to 5 minutes on high broil, and looks like we need to give another 4 to 5 minutes for it to cook at least 80 to 90%. And once it is cooked, we will add the chicken to the sauteed onion. Okay, so friends, this recipe will be a very good option for lunch or dinner, anyone. So here I'm adding half a teaspoon of turmeric and then give it a good mix, and then half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Friends, please do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Okay, so here I have added half a teaspoon of coriander powder and then half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Keep the spices low. Definitely include in your diet, but always keep it low. Spices have antioxidants, so they do good to your health, but not in excess. Excess of anything is bad. So I'm adding little bit of about half a teaspoon of chicken garam masala, that is for flavor. It has cinnamon, clove. Okay, so here I am checking the chicken. I had flipped it once. By it is 80% done. Let us flip it and let it cook for another 2 minutes, and that should be good. I think by then we will be 90% done. So I am flipping them one by one so that the chicken cooks evenly. And I have not added any oil or any spices on it. Nothing, not even salt. Okay, so here is our fried onion, sauteed onion. Chicken looks good. It is done on the other side as well, and all the way I have been broiling it on high broil. Okay, so now let's take it out. Always make sure that you have the gloves on. And now I will add the chicken into it slowly, because onions are done and the spices that I had added in the onion all are cooked well. Now here goes the chicken, the broiled chicken. Give it a good mix so that all the spices and everything mixes really well. Yeah, give it a good mix. Friends, start your day with the healthy drink, which I have mentioned in the description box, and then a good breakfast. The links are in the description box for the healthy breakfast option, and this chicken recipe can be added as your lunch or dinner, followed by at least 15 to 20 minutes of workout every day will promote the entire weight loss process. So for workout, I have made workout series. Please do check it out. I am placing the link in the description box. Okay, so put the lid and let it cook. Let it steam cook for another 2 to 3 minutes so that all the spices are well cooked and chicken gets all the flavor and spices. And that's all, it is ready to serve. Please make note of the portion size and you are all set. Friends, please do try it out and let me know how this recipe has helped you in your weight loss journey. I hope you like this. Please subscribe to my channel and remember, you can make a difference.